Now, I know I am white, but I'm about to do a blues song, so I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah!
Woo! Get it started, Steve. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going. I'm not paying you by the minute. I'm not paying you. I was home all alone, so I got really stoned. I smoked it right down, and I took it to town, and now I'm really, 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 really hungry. I opened the fridge, looking for a tasty treat. A PB&J would just make my life complete. Chunky or creamy, jelly or jam. Too many options for my stomach to comprehend. I got the blues. Me and my girl, we're on top of the world. But then one day came a twist of fate. She showed me that stick and then she told me she was late. Now I'm engaged. Yeah, I'm engaged. Yeah, I got the blues. Those shotgun wedding blues. I got the hours too drunk to pull out, so I didn't give a shit blues. I got so fast.
The better?
She got real big real fast. Her bitching and moaning. Her hormones exploding. Her water finally broke. I said, is this some kind of joke? I took that ring right back because that baby was oh so black. I got the blues. Oh, I got the blues. I got that my girlfriend slept with half of the dicks. I don't understand why, because they haven't been to playoffs in years. Blues. Got the blues.